Good morning, everyone. This is Lee, and I am here on my Wild Adventures channel. Today I have decided to take a little hike, and we're at the Rockbridge Nature Preserve. Partly because I've just got a new backpack. I want to try it out and see just how it does and how comfortable it is. I've put some weight in it to kind of get a feel for it. Here's what I've got. This is the Kelty Redwing 50. It's a 50-liter backpack. And just from overall first impressions, I like it pretty well. But we're going to find out today since I've got some weight in it, and after I take a little hike with it, see just how comfortable it actually is. So I'll check back with you later. Well, the first half mile of the trail went pretty easy. Now we've got into the woods, and as you can see, the trail has become very full of roots. But that's just part of the challenge. Now, the whole reason that I bought this backpack is I'm planning some backcountry trips, hiking and camping out overnight. So far this pack's doing pretty good, but I got it because I found a cheap deal on it. And I wanted to start wearing a pack to get used to it. So I'll check back with you later. Well, I just made the first ascent. Come up that hill full of roots, pretty steep. It was a little bit of a challenge for me, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not in the best of shape yet. That's why I'm out here carrying this pack, trying to get used to it and get in better shape. So, talk to you later. There's definitely some good elevation changes here. I don't know just what kind of footage we're talking about, but it's a little steep. And we're still still got quite a few roots. But it's beautiful out here, I will say that, and it's a nice trail other than the roots. But you have to have some challenge in your life, don't you? Oh, it just keeps dropping. It just keeps going down. You know what that means. Once we get down, we're gonna have to come back up. Check back in later. Pretty cool. Beautiful area. Okay, so we took a look at it from on top of the natural bridge. Now we're going to go down under it and take a look. Pretty cool area. All right, so that's the trail we came down, and this is the trail we're going back up. And when we get up here, I don't know if it's quite halfway or not, but there's another side trail that wad. I'm thinking it's roughly another mile to the trip. Still put me just over 2 miles total. And it looks like we're going to get ready to start another ascent to get back up on top. Check with you later. I don't know if you can see it or not, but we got a little toad. There he goes. Little toad was trying to climb the tree. And so now we're back to the root cover trail, except this time well, I think we was climbing on the last time. Oh well, just a part of that challenge. Okay, so we just made the climb from the natural bridge, and now we're going to take the rock shelter loop trail, which is another mile, and we're going to see what that has in store for us. Okay, so we have been descending kind of slowly. They've had a couple of switchbacks, like this one right here. How you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Pretty good, man. Just enjoying the morning.
Yes. Very
So yeah, it's been, not a steep slope, but pretty gradual. Okay, I've decided since we're here, we will go ahead and take a quick look at the overhang or caves or whatever it is, just to see. And there's a path to go on down there on those rocks, but I'm not going to go down there. I kind of think it's just a deep overhang. Okay, so we've made it to the rock shelter loop at the end of the trail. So I think we're going to go to the left and circle around and see just what it has to offer. Okay, so we've made back all the way around this loop, and now we are going to head back to the parking area. We'll get this wrapped up, and I'll give you my thoughts on the backpack, and we'll call it a day until the next time. Okay, I've decided since we're here, we will go ahead and take a quick look at the overhang or caves or whatever it is, just to see. And there's a path to go on down there on those rocks, but I'm not going to go down there. I kind of think it's just a deep overhang. It's pretty cool though how it's got the little water trickling over it. Absolutely beautiful area. And the nature preserve does sit next to Hocking Hills Canopy Tours, which is a zip line, and I can hear people over there talking, and I can hear the whine of the zip line going across every now and then also. You probably can't hear it on there, but I can hear it. Alright, so we're back on trail, heading back to the parking area. I don't know that the camera can really capture this very well, but this is a steep hill. And we will be zigzagging our way up this. So I will check back in with you guys shortly. I don't know if you can really tell it on video, but that's what we've came up so far. And we are still not to the top, but it is quite a hike up. See you guys in a few. I don't think you guys can see it, but the Hocking River is right through the trees there. Okay, so good news. I have just reached the top of the last climb I have before I get out of here. Everything from here to the parking area is downhill, and I am happy. I am sweating, I am tired. I've got a little bench right here that I'm going to take a little break, have me a water. I'm going to maybe have some of the trail mix that I made myself, and I have a power bar I'm going to eat. And then I will finish getting out of here, but I'm going to enjoy this cool breeze while it feels good. So I will catch you guys in a few. Later. Okay, everybody, so let's get this video wrapped up. So first impressions about the backpack for the first time wearing it on a trail. It did everything I wanted to do. It put all the weight on my hips, not on my shoulders. As I said, it's got plenty of pockets. I like that it has these pass-throughs on the side here where you can put your trekking poles or tent stakes or whatever you have that may be long. Plenty of pockets for storage. The main thing I like about this one is it's not a tubular backpack in which you don't load it from the top. You can, but this will unzip all the way down. This whole front will drop off, and then you can get anywhere in the pack you need. So if you have something packed on the bottom, you can unzip it and get to it. You don't have to unpack the whole pack to get everything out just to get one thing in the bottom. It's comfortable. I don't have any complaints with it, but I've never owned a backcountry style backpacking type backpack before. So I don't have anything to really compare it to, but for my first backpack, I'm really liking it. As far as the trail goes, beautiful area. The Rockbridge was really cool to see. It's a nice trail. It is not the easiest trail. You know, as you can see in the video, there's a lot of roots. There's a lot of steep climbs. So if that's not your thing, you may not want to try it, but you shouldn't have any issue really, as long as you watch where you put your feet, and everything should be good. But other than that, I'll see you guys on trail next time, or on the lake, or whatever I happen to be doing. So hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.